Thinking about getting a new roof, but not ready to deal with sales calls or an on-site appointment just yet? Are you wondering if you can get a ballpark price that's actually useful and not waste your time? In this video, we'll explain what our Instant Estimator tool is, how it works, and why homeowners like you use it to get their roofing project kick-started. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what kind of instant estimate you get and how to take your next step in this process without all the pressure. Hi, I'm Chris with Hoel Roofing Remodeling. Today, the topic at hand is our self-service tool that's on our website, the Instant Estimator. The best thing about this is that you can use it with no pressure at all. You can fill it out and then enter your square footage and get a rough estimate within minutes to your home. So that way you'll have an idea of how expensive that project is going to be. So how accurate is the Instant Estimator? So it's really a general range just to give you an idea that you're probably going to be somewhere between point A and point B. There's a lot of variables that can factor into a roof replacement cost that we can't figure on this Instant Estimator, and that would be number of pipe boots that are going to be needed for the job. That would be, do you have skylights that are going to be needed? Do you have chimney flashing that's going to be needed? So some of these accessories, these are not included in the Instant Estimator. So this is really just to give you a general idea on what range you should be within. So what information do you need to use the Instant Estimator? So first, you're going to need the square footage of your home. Once you have that, that's actually all you're going to need to know about your home to get the instant estimate. So once you make it past that page, it's going to bring you to a page that'll have you fill out some information. That information is going to be your name, your email, your zip code, your address, and then a project timeline. Once you fill all of this out, you'll get your instant estimate right away. From there, our office will reach out to you. They're going to give you a call just to see how you felt about the instant estimate you received and if you'd be interested in proceeding with an in-person appointment. My favorite thing about the Instant Estimator is that it can really help you understand what you're looking to spend and how you can build a budget and save or prepare for that, because you can use this whether you think your replacement is 5 years down the road or 1 year down the road, and there's no pressure included in it. Yes, we'll give you a call, but that's really just to check up on how the process went for you, and then if you are interested in having us come out. The main reason for this call is to make sure that you don't have any lingering questions and that everything while you were filling out the Instant Estimator went smoothly on your end. Another reason we give this call is to see if you are interested in an in-person appointment and if this is a project that you're looking to get done here shortly. Homeowners love the Instant Estimator because it gives clarity without the commitment. You can run the numbers, explore your options, and take your time without any pushy follow-ups. If you're even thinking about getting a roof project done, hit the link below. It's free, it's fast, and it may save you a ton of time and worry.